this red ointment they use on themselves is basically to keep them clean. That is very dirty. I have to say so myself. It's that wherever you go, everything you touch is red. So, but that's culture. They live like that still today. And there's a hut there. All the houses look like that. I can do that. I can. What do you call those? Yes, plaster the huts. And when I go back home, that's mainly the work that I do. I help plastering and milking goats and cows.
Wow.
So I guess I'm still cultural, no matter what I go through in life. So I don't know. The video doesn't seem to understand.
The internet
but
stuff. If we can see that thing.
so you, Kabo. It can only be you.